beautiful sweet potatoes. We've parboiled them for about 10, 15 minutes. Look at this, I'm gonna show you this. We parboiled them with the skin on. Still got a nice texture on it there, and then we took the skin off, and this is what we have. And I've made some nice thin slices, about the thickness of our index finger there, about a ½ an inch a piece, because we want consistent barbecue when we head over there. I'm gonna take some bamboo skewers, stick them right in there. And what does that look like to y'all? It's a lollipop. We're having some fun out here. Now, these bamboo skewers have been soaking for about 20 minutes. You have to soak them, otherwise they'll burn. But if you over soak them, they'll splinter on you, and we don't want that either. And notice how I'm not sticking them through. I don't want that sticking out and burning. I mean, that's a good-looking lollipop, but I know it came in different colors. I know it's true.
Like these.
Shut up! How you doing? Sneaking up. Look at those, y'all. Don't those look great? Beautiful beets. Look at that. Yellow, purple beets. Throw these on there. Got to hit them with a little extra virgin olive oil right here, okay? Just drizzle them up. Both sides if you can. Get the kids to help you do this. Little S&P. Super simple, easy.
Hi.
Hey, Carrie. How you doing? You guys are hitting me one on the left, one on the right. Love it when I'm working with the Road Grill team. Look at that, some melted butter. That's the beginning of a beautiful sweet and tart butter sauce. Just gonna take it up a notch with a little honey. Juice of 2 limes. Okay, and now, beautiful ginger. We've got our sweet and tart butter sauce. We've got our lollipops. What do you say we head over to the queue? I don't like a dirty grill. I like a clean grill and one that doesn't stick. You oil it, that'll make sure it won't stick, okay? And now, gonna baste these bad boys up. And while I do that, let me tell you that my grill over here is about 350 in temperature. That's medium-high heat. It's perfect for what we're trying to do. Okay, I think I got them all. And now, little piece of foil, trick for you, okay? Watch this. Lay it right down over the middle. Take our lollipops, put it right over the foil and it won't burn. Look at that. Outstanding. We'll go ahead and mix it up a little bit. Show you a little something, something. You run out of room on your foil, just start sticking them out the front of your grill like that there. They won't burn your skewers. 4 or 5 minutes to get some nice golden char marks on there, and you are smoking. Then we'll flip them, and we're good to go. Want to check it out? See if they got those beautiful char marks on them. Oh, they do. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous? Now, you got 4 or 5 minutes here, and then it's time to take these, take them over there, start handing them out. The only thing left for us to do is to hand out these lollipops. In fact, I'm not even gonna do that. I'm gonna make y'all come up here and join me and have some fun with these things. Y'all hungry? Yeah! Let's make this happen. Come on, y'all. Grab you some. Make sure you get some of that sweet and tart butter sauce, okay? Put it in there. All right, grab your Beet while you're in there. That is sweeter than candy, and it's probably better for you, too.